We just got honked at.
Now the choppers on deck, and the yappers on deck.
Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling? Is you rolling?
Wish I might be. Wish I might be. Wish I might be.
Fries and french fries. What are home fries? Like cut hash browns, right? Oh. I feel like it depends.
I bought home fries are like really thick ones. But I don't know.
Okay, welcome to Miami Palace. That's what that is? Yeah. Oh. We were trying to film there, or we were thinking about it. I don't know. Which y'all want to go? So cool. She said meningitis from a bird? Yeah, I'm like, yo, why are we looking towards it? That's they tub, they bathe.
Where'd you go?
doggy. So, I'm not gonna talk.
Zira, this is the first time you put me in your vlog, and I feel offended because she has known me for a whole last semester, and this is the first time you guys see me.
Alright.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. What about when I hate her? I don't agree. I did it first. I give a fuck. I just want fuck. Eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard? What's the password? I need you, man.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Sierra. I'm back in the building, back in this thing, back in this. Okay, we did it. So anyways, y'all, as y'all just saw, I just went to the mall and I got me some Chick-fil-A, and I looked through a few stores. I probably didn't record much. Got me some Chick-fil-A. That was very much needed. And I'm also looking for me some birthday outfits, because if y'all don't know, my birthday is coming up very soon. 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks, but right around the corner. So yeah, I was doing that, but right now I just finished editing a video and I'm about to post it. So again, consistency come through. All right, okay, but for real, so what I need to do is I need to wash my hair very thoroughly, very good, very clean, very crisp, because I am getting me some large knotless, my favorite type of braids to get. I love big braids, y'all. Like, I can't do the small ones, I love the big ones. So I need to do that. So y'all are gonna prepare with me for my hair appointment tomorrow. So whenever this video finishes exporting and I get it up and stuff, then we're gonna start that. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Yeah, okay y'all, so I just posted the video. I don't even know the last time I talked to y'all, but now for real, it's go time. I'm about to tackle my head and get this taken care of.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Last call,
okay y'all, so I'm out the shower and my hair is freshly washed, and now I'm about to take it down. And I'm not gonna put no products in it because tomorrow I need to blow dry it.
mask on, fuck your mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick.
Okay, I think my hair has grown. Okay, what should I do? I think I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and put some twist in it so it can be easy just to comb out and blow dry. That's what I'm gonna do.
Never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast out with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Got it, out the lobby, yeah. I'm a living proof, so they compromising $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated. I was overdue, I'm a pink Molly, I can barely move, ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move, Red James, 33 chains, 33, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, yeah, top off, yeah, that's a liability, hit that, boosting my adrenaline,
See what for more of like the packaged snacks.
I got the lip plumper one. What? They burn. Is it burning? Oh my god, did you pay attention when you got it? Oh, so you trying to get Kylie Jenner?
They didn't have any.
Like it burned.
Y'all know how they have like the boxes.
Wait, is it gonna burn the whole time? It's gonna burn the whole time. Why would it burn?
Anyways, we're gonna
I don't know.
Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big fine. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big fine. Represent, yeah, gotta represent. Gang, chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Big fine, mask on, yeah, fuck your mask on, big fine. Mask on, yeah, fuck your mask on. way, yeah. My guillotine, draped with methazine, taking beans, go to those extremes. Let's go, Parliament, calamari wins, parlay in Vegas. We was in the tennis, go, before the business, yeah.
So hey y'all, welcome to today's video, or hey, I don't really know what to say. So I got me some cereal. Anywho, so we have a busy day ahead of us. So to explain why I look kind of like, you know, rough on the edges is because I'm getting my hair done today. I'm super excited, y'all. I've been wanting to get like my hair done for a while now, so I finally secured my appointment and today is the day. So I'm getting large knotless braids, which are my favorite. That's my favorite. So doing that today, but that's today at 5, and right now it's only 9:06 in the morning. So since it's only 9:06 in the morning, we still got a little while from now to the appointment. So what I have to do after I finish eating my cereal, I need to put my shoes on and go to work, you know, get my little time, because I'm almost about to like go over like the amount of hours I'm supposed to work for the week. So I'm just gonna get the last couple of seconds that I can get and be done with that. Then after work, I have 2 classes back to back and I'll be done at like 1:10. And so once I'm done, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna blow dry my hair because my hair is not blow dry. And then after that, I'm probably just gonna like do some work or like study or something. So yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal for today. And
never take a break. We can switch states, switch down fireplace. Ain't no way, ain't no fucking way. No, we contemplate, we didn't contemplate. No, rock the bank, we gon' rock the game. Again, they game, we game.
Okay y'all, so I'm about to head out the door. This is what I have on. I know I look crazy by the head, but she will be dealt with later. Just got this shirt from Target, these shorts from TJ Maxx, and my dunks. So yeah.
Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Represent, yeah, gotta represent. Gang, gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big firm, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on. Big firm, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on. Big firm, Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Big firm, mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on. Gas strong, number 9 on.
Okay, hey you guys, back looking a hot mess, but I just finished work and class and then I went to Starbucks, and now it's finally time for me to blow dry my hair and get ready for my appointment. So let's blow dry this nappy hair, please. Okay y'all, so my hair is blow dried and I just put it into a little fan bun, and I'm about to just chill for a little bit. I'm washing my bonnets and scarves so they can be fresh when I come on my hair appointment, but I think I'm gonna let my camera battery charge and I'll check in with y'all later. Okay y'all, so it is 4:18. I'm probably gonna leave like 4:30-ish, or I might leave right now because by the time I get over there. But then again, I don't want to be too early because the girl is on campus, so I'm literally about to just go take the bus, and I don't know what I should do. I'm gonna keep you updated though. with no
giving
edge.
laid and slayed.
By Lena, but no edges. It's okay though. They're gonna come by Monday. Give me till Monday. That is our. Hey y'all, so I'm back in my dorm. This is how my hair came out. I feel like I never really showed y'all, and I still really can't even show y'all for real. We got curled ends. These are like hella long. They're like thigh length. Honestly, without the curl though, these are kneecap length. Like, y'all couldn't even see. Let me show y'all. So like, look, say for instance, you know, let's just pull a curl. Definitely going to the knee. I can't even like I can't even stretch it out. Love my hair. I'm about to wrap my hair up. That was the sole purpose of me coming on the camera. I'm trying to figure out though, because I don't want to smush my braids. Like, what's the best way to wrap them up? Like, I'm not true to this. I'm new to this. Oh, it smells so good.
Be on my phone talking about what's my problem. I don't go alone and get it how I want it. I don't be alone to figure out how I should be loved. And if it's just us, is that enough? Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? The goal games are us, moving so close.
Alright y'all, we good to go. So yeah y'all, I'm just gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow, because tomorrow I am going to the mall. The mission for tomorrow is to find a birthday outfit. If we don't leave with a birthday outfit, I don't know what to say. But I'll see you guys in the morning.
Is it too late for us? We're both scared of love, moving so close we converse. Is it bad that I want more? Is it bustin' like a toolie in your waistband? Bustin' like that booty too big and you need 2 hands. Bustin' like you catching the body and you in G-stand. Bustin' like it's catching.
Hey y'all, it's the next day, so I just took a shower, brushed my teeth, all that jazz, and just took my scarf off.
We're fighting and you here too. Then call love. I know what's up. Can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We're gon' get into us. Moving so close we converse. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? The goal scared of love. Moving so close we converse. Is it bad?
Y'all, my edge. This is so embarrassing.
That I want more.
Okay y'all, so I finished getting ready, and now I just need to like pack up and put some stuff in my purse, because it's 9:18 and we're planning to leave at 9:30. But this is what I have on. I'm just wearing this light green dress from Target, and then this purse I got last year for my birthday, and it goes with it too. I think this is from Target too, so Target coming through on a fit. And then I just have on my lime ice dunks, so it's like matchy matchy but not too matchy matchy. But then again, it probably is too matchy matchy. I don't really care though, because I don't look a mess. Like, I definitely got a lot of mixture of colors, because my shoes got pink, purple, green, and then this purse got orange, yellow, purple. So, but it goes, you know. I know I told y'all yesterday that we're going to the mall. We're going to the mall because we've been wanting to go to the mall all school year. You know, time is winding down. Like, we probably got like 3 weeks left. And then out of the 3 weeks left, I'm not gonna be here for like 2 of them. So it's like, this is it. And I need to find something for my birthday. My birthday's in 2 weeks, like 2 weeks from today. And I need to be cute for my 19th birthday. Like, hello. But yeah, let me pack up this purse. I got this purse on it and it's full of paper. Should I put some mascara on? All right, y'all, I'm gonna use y'all to put this mascara on. Do we see a difference? I don't know. I need to go in the mirror. This ain't gonna forget I have this on and I'm gonna be rubbing my eye all day.
I want you to stretch it, limit want you to test it. I know how it's going to go. I got no. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us?
Hey y'all, so we're waiting for the Uber. Okay. And yeah, we finna go to the mall and do our little 1-2-1-2.
We both dangerous, moving so close we can bust. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love, moving so close we can bust. Is it bad?
So we made it in the mall and we're lost in Macy's. But we found the mall entrance and we're just about to see where we finna go. See what's the first store on the list. Okay, H&M, hey! That's my Urban outfit. Oh, Urban first. Okay, Urban. So we're in Urban Outfitters. Gotta lock in real quick, so I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Okay, y'all, so we're in H&M now. Time to lock in. This is one of my favorite stores. They smell like popcorn. Bro, they got brioche bun. I'm dead. All right, y'all. So we're about to go in Zara.
Zara is our favorite store.
Yes.
We love this store. We go to every Zara.
Every Zara. Let's start.
Yeah.
And we need to lock in. So that's what we'll be doing. Catch up with y'all boys later.
Top dollar to holler. Talking about that pretty brown frame, and I don't mean the Impala. This ain't just hopped out of. What about your business? You must be religious. This guy done took her time. And you're tired of hearing those same old lines. And I for something new. I know we can't look the same to you. And I for something new. To me, I wanna get on with you.
Hey guys, so we're done shopping. Got a Zara bag, got Sephora and Forever 21. What you got?
Sephora. We have Urban. Zara, of course, as I said before, favorite store. And we have a Lululemon bag. And we also have some coming in the mail from Aerie. So, yeah. Oh, do you want to see my desserts too?
Oh yeah,
so,
she also,
Okay, it kind of smushed, but donut.
And it's like what?
Nutella.
Vanilla inside.
And then macaroons.
She got a macaron.
And that's it.
Yeah. And she also had Chipotle.
Oh yes, I did. I've had myself a day, haven't I?
Yeah, she's had her a day. So yeah, but we'll give you guys a haul when we go home. I mean, back to school. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so long time no talk. We made it back from the mall, like back to school and stuff. And now we just got off the train and we're about to go to TJ Maxx, Ross, Five Below, Publix. What is this? Yes, we're walking. Because, yeah.
So we're gonna spend money on material things.
Yeah.
Not transportation.
Yeah. That is why we're walking. Because, you know, we spent our big bucks at the mall. So that's what we're doing. I'll show you guys the scenery. This is the Cancer Research Center. I mean, just the Cancer Center. So, y'all, help find a cure. Okay, and that's the hospital. We're just really in the health district.
Did you read the word?
No, because I was gonna say health area, but then I thought, so I'm just gonna say, like, you know, you got the cancer, we got the, but yeah, y'all. So let me know, we just got honked at. I was I'm sitting here trying to.
I can't get my words out. But y'all let me know if y'all like this type of vlog video. Wait, we going this way? Who's honking? We need to stop getting honked at. Like, that's what I'm saying. I'm sick. Like, we're in the health district. Cat calling. But anywho, guys, so depending on how this vlog turn out, because I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but let me know if you guys like this. I'm trying to make my videos longer now because I see that's what the girlies do, and I honestly was just not tuned in, not locked in.
She was just trying to be a montage, kind of like.
And I'm still gonna do my montages no matter what. So however long this video is, expect the montage because that's who I am. So how far are we now? Okay. The sun is beaming. All right, y'all. I'm gonna update y'all later. Okay, y'all, so we're in Ulta.
It wasn't? No, like, cause remember I can't sharpen it.
But no, it's still called the pencil though.
I know, but it wasn't a literal pencil, I'm saying.
Currently trying to find a...
It's this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil.
Okay.
But first espresso. Yes, this is the exact one I got.
Okay. So that's the only thing they got of that? Okay. And how much? Oh, $3.99. So I have to get it. I hope this looks right on me.
It's gonna be completely fine.
Yeah.
You literally saw how it looked.
Well, yeah, I didn't put it on my face though.
But you saw how it looked on when I used it on my lips.
Yeah. But you.
But it's the same. It's not gonna be much different. Like, it's just brown. Like.
Okay.
Truth is, I came to know ya.
Maybe I should get a beauty blender. I ain't got nothing to beauty blend.
Yeah.
Heaven. We've made it to TJ Maxx. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, she got the card. Okay. Yeah.
I just like, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's only right. It's only right. Okay, so we're at Chick-fil-A. Wrapping it up. I'm eating my fries. Okay, y'all, so we are back from our shopping trip and we're gonna give you guys a haul of everything we purchased.
Where's all your stuff at?
Over there. Is anyone here? You go first.
You did all that just to say me. We'll start off with my candles. I got these candles for my birthday cake that say blow me. Cute. We'll start with Zara first. I got this tank top from Zara that I have in 2 other colors.
She actually means 12 other colors.
No, that one too.
Okay.
And I got this dress in a size extra small because I was trying to size small on in the store. You know, it was too much fabric for me, but I don't like the extra small, so I'm gonna go back to the small. So that will be going back. We got this Skims dupe. I'm kidding. This is called like a suit,
like a one-piece jumpsuit, catsuit,
leotard, like whatever, you know. Cute shorts. Purred blue. I think that was it from Zara. So now for the super steals of the day. So, you know, I'm from the East, New York. I'm from New Jersey, but whatever. New York Knicks. And look at the back. And I literally got these for $2.50. Well, this shirt, $2.50. And then another one, New York Stand Up, Yankees. $2.50. Crazy. Then we got some Sol de Janeiro. 62. It smells good, nice and vanilla-y. Lululemon belt bag. Been wanting this for too long. Now on to TJ Maxx. Whew. It's a lot. So I got this makeup plushie headband, you know, little cream color. Then I got a scalp massager because I just feel like I need to wash my hair better. Then I got a tongue scraper. I'm obsessed with cleaning my tongue. I love cleaning my tongue, sorry. You guys, everyone should clean your tongue. So I decided to invest in a tongue scraper finally. And then I got some beauty blenders. Cleanse, prep, and blend. Because I'm a beauty guru now. Yeah. Follow my YouTube page.
She is a beauty guru.
And then last but not least, the real steal of the day. From Juvia's Place bronzer. 30% off. Ulta spring sale.
Yeah. Holler.
And that's all for the haul. Thank you everyone for listening. Subscribe to my channel. I'm kidding.
Y'all subscribe. I'm gonna put it on the screen. And the link gonna be down below. Okay guys, my turn. We're gonna start off with TJ Maxx and Ulta. So from Ulta,
It looks like there's nothing in here, but there is. So I got a eye pencil that I'm gonna use for lip liner because all the lip liners are made for the caucus.
Putting you on though.
Yeah.
Not the truth.
I'm gonna try this out, y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all know if y'all need to tap in. This was only $3.99. So, and then from TJ Maxx, y'all, I've been looking for these.
You know you want it.
I know, but it's got a zip tie on it. Y'all, first of all, let's just start off by saying I literally posted an Amazon wish list the other day about what this is, and I found it in store. I've been looking for this in stores for like 2 years. 2 years? Yes.
2 months.
No, 2 years. So basically it's a headband. So y'all know the little headbands, little skincare headbands. That's not why I got this. The wristbands for washing your face. I hate when the water drips down my arm. So look, they got little matching bows, and I'm like, this is cute. Like, don't worry, like I am gonna use this. This is cute. Love the pink. But yeah, and then I also got my mom one because my mom wanted it too. So we've been on the hunt for this, and sorry, had to give y'all story time on that one. Okay, and so now we have Sephora. I became a Sephora member today. So first I got a little Touchland hand sanitizer in the Vanilla Blossom. It smells really good, and I just feel like I'm like,
okay.
And then I got my birthday gift because she told them it was my birthday this month. Y'all know my birthday in 2 weeks. So I got the Ilia Beauty Insider, and it comes with a multi-stick and a mascara. This is how I look, y'all. They're minis, and the box say happy birthday. Okay, so then I got this set from Zara. Here is the top, super cute, and here are the bottom, and yeah, it's just super cute. They had a lot of different colors in here, but you know, I had to do the pink. The pink's really cute. And lastly, from Forever 21, I got my birthday dress, but I'm not gonna show it because I feel like it's gonna spoil it, and my birthday is not for another 2 weeks. So thanks for coming to our haul.
See you guys next week. Actually, when you're watching this, you will not be seeing me next week, so
why won't they see you next week?
because next week is gonna be your birthday video.
Oh,
Like, well, see you guys when I see you.
yeah. Y'all stay blessed.
Bye.
Give a damn about the things I told ya. They don't have a clue, but they don't need you like I do.